If I'm not nervous, then I'm not doing a good job, because I should be prepared, but nerves are just par for the course, and it's because you care about your client. It's not, because you're afraid of public speaking. I mean, some people could be. That's not really what my issue is. Mine is wanting to make sure I give my client the best representation I can, and I think it's human nature to doubt yourself, so that's where those nerves come in. But it's really just having someone's life in your hands. Even 30 years down the road, I don't think my nerves will really change in that regard. I want them to feel like they know that I did right by them, that they're appreciative, and rightfully so, that they saw me fight for them. Win or lose, that they saw that I did the best that any attorney could do for them. I want them to feel that. I don't need a pat on the back, but if it comes from the client, that's the best one, because I know that they're happy with my representation of them. Certainly in representation, we do a lot of hand-holding, a lot of reassurances, but cautious reassurances. You can never guarantee a particular outcome until that outcome has happened. It's a lot of empathy, and I do empathize with them. I'm not jaded by the fact that I have, however many cases at a time for as many years as I've been doing it. You have some people who are more laid back, some people who are uptight, but really generally it's just great people. I grew up in Danville. I'm glad to be back. I can't imagine living anywhere else. And I want them to know that they're in good hands, but also, making sure that they know what they can do to help their case, because there's a lot that they can do. So it certainly is, I think, really just getting our clients to understand that we understand how they're feeling, even though we're not the ones going through it, that we are there for them. I respond to a lot of late night emails and texts and everything, and I want them to know that I'm there for them. So it's really more just sort of understanding the personality of each client and what their needs and expectations are in terms of that kind of attorney-therapist relationship. You have to have conversations with every client, and that's part of even the initial intake process before you step into the courtroom with them, for sure, is talking about the facts of their case, how they feel about it, and you can kind of tell pretty quickly how they feel about it. You get to know them pretty well. And I like my clients, and we have a lot of conversations, and we adjust accordingly. But typically, you kind of know how they feel about their case and how they expect or want it to proceed. And what we stand for is helping people. We're helping people with problems. That's what attorneys are for, and that is what we stand for.